In addition to getting the Mustang back, we also got the beautiful Seibon hood for the Z. We got that clear coated, so that's back for paint as well. So it looks phenomenal. Now I no longer have to worry about the hood actually fading. It should stay this nice carbon color for the remainder of its life. Because see, a lot of guys, unfortunately, if they don't clear coat it, they'll start to brown. And they had to do a little bit of fitment work to get like the gapping just right. And so while they did that, I had them throw on like the AeroCatch, the hood latches. So now I don't have to worry about the hood popping off or going anywhere. It's nice and secure. And you can see he installed the flush mount AeroCatch hood latches. These things are amazing. So I'll show you how these work. Just pop it up on both sides. It's a little push and pull. And then we can get inside and pop the hood. So you can see where he had to cut away some of that material in order to get the hood latch to fit. That's why I didn't want to mess with it to begin with, just because they were still messing with the fitment of the hood itself. So they just had to notch out the hood on both sides. And then here's the pin. So it just fits nicely right into that catch. So when you lower the hood down, pin pops through the top. You got a nice secure fit. Close it and you're secure. The one major drawback, and I really hate that we have to do this to the hood, but we're gonna have to put the hood prop back on. I had the hood struts to hold the hood open before, but it says with the carbon fiber, you really don't want to stress. It could like stress crack the carbon. I don't want to risk messing it up, but for the time being, I'm gonna put the hood prop on just to be safe. And actually, in order to get the hood prop to actually fit again, we're going to have to kind of drill out this hole, or Dremel out this hole a little bit, so that way the hood prop will actually fit in there. Because right now it's not quite big enough. So we'll grab the Dremel, open that up, so that way we can actually hold the hood up. Since it is primarily like fiberglass laid underneath, it doesn't take much to smoke a hole through it. So took a few passes, but it was able to open it up enough. So now we got the hood prop where it's secure and actually will hold the hood up. So I just chewed that hole up just enough to be able to fit the top of the hood prop in there. Glad to have both cars back. They look phenomenal. I appreciate like the hard work that my painter put in, because it was a rough go with both cars. This hood didn't want to line up very good, and then the Mustang hood, just the paint color didn't want to cooperate. So I'm glad to have them both back. I do appreciate you all watching. If you will, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one.